everyone, I'm wygowarrior, aka Julie. Welcome to my channel. Alright, so my box arrived really late. I'm filming this on the same day I received it, which is Saturday, November the 16th. Also, I don't know what happened to my box. It's like Godzilla or something stepped on it, so hopefully everything is intact. For anyone who isn't aware of what Ipsy is, it is a quarterly add-on to the BoxyCharm by Ipsy Beauty subscription box. So if you choose 4 times a year, you can pay an additional $30 to get 8 full-size products, 3 of which you get to choose. And of course, do I remember what I chose? Actually, for once, I remember a few things, but not the rest of the box. All right, enough rambling. Let's dive in. First, let me speak to who the curator of the box is. By the way, there is a celebrity person attached to these boxes who selects the products. I'm fairly certain Ipsy picks them and they just get free advertising. But let me tell you, I watched some spoilers and I was not thrilled about this box. And then I saw that Lisa Vanderpump curator and I was extra. I was this close to pausing my subscription. But I thought, you know, I have a channel. Let's just go for it. Am I glad I didn't pause? I was shocked at what Ipsy put in my box and what my choices were. So let's dive in and grab the first product. All right, so this here is from Tarte, and this is the Tartelette Juicy Palette. Ipsy actually put this in my box. I was shocked. First, that it's a name brand, Tarte. Second, it's in a color story that I know I will use. And last, oh, boo, Tarte, why can't you make the mirror open all the way up? First off, look, you got some pinks and nudes, and yes, this is wygowarrior friendly for sure. So the Tartelette Juicy Palette retails for $47. All right, next product. Ooh, yes, we have something from Keys SOULCARE. This is the Truly Becoming Multi-Benefit Peptide Serum. Ooh, I love serums, and especially products that have peptides in them. That is really good for your skin, particularly when you're aging like I am. I love the Keys SOULCARE packaging. This is glass, and it's a beautiful dark purple. Wow, that's a decent price for the serum. It retails for $38. And between the Tartelette Juicy Palette and the serum, my box is already paid for, and there are 6 products left to go. All right, this next product I am super excited for. I love complexion products, and I was actually shocked to see that Ipsy put this in my box. So this is from KVD Beauty, and it's the Good Apple Full Coverage Serum Foundation. It retails for $42, so it's definitely not something I would pick up on my own. I got it in the shade Light, which that in real life without bright lights is looking a little dark and a little yellow. So fingers crossed the actual shade will work for me. Wow, this is really heavy. This is thick glass, and I don't know if I'll pick up on camera. It has like raised design work on both sides. Let's see what this looks like, and I will definitely be doing a full-on test of all of this makeup plus what I got in the Allure box. All right, so it's a thinner formula, and yay, the shade is lighter than it looked on the back of the box. It is a little yellow and actually a little light, but I will take a little light because we can always warm it up with bronzer. All right, next product. I know what this is. Well, not the product, the brand, just based off of the packaging because it's in a triangle. This here is from LYS Beauty. What are you? All right, so this is the Speak Love Moisture Matte Lipstick, and I got it in the shade Sincere. Wow, this packaging is gorgeous. It feels really nice. This is like a soft matte. All right, and it's a thin kind of twist up. Please be a good shade. And by good shade, I mean a shade I will reach for. Okay, so this is verging on a little too dark for me. However, it's in a color story family that I actually would wear. So the lipstick retails for $20, which I think is a perfect price point. All right, next we have something from, it looks like Origins. Yes, this is the GinZing SPF 30. Oh, I love getting SPFs in boxes. That way I can try all the different ones on the market. Ooh, yes. Are you going to smell like GinZing? Or any kind of scent other than just SPF? Why can't I open this? Okay, it's not safety sealed. Normally you twist off to take a safety seal off. Do you have a scent? Possibly. Yes, it is very subtle though. All right, wow, yes, this retails for $38. I definitely would not pick up a $38 SPF, but it's great to get one in a box to give it a try. All right, I believe those were all the products Ipsy put in my box. So let's move on to the products I picked. And all I remember is in choice one, it was like Sophie's Choice. There were at least 3, possibly 4 products that I really wanted. And it took me a while to pick one. There might be one I wish I would have got instead. All right, so this here is from McGRATH Labs. And it's the Bijoux Brilliance eyeshadow palette. I hope I said that right. Honestly, anytime I see McGRATH available in a box, I snag it because, girl, she's way too pricey for me to pick up on my own. Plus, this is a gorgeous color story right up my alley. And I love the size of this. It'd be great to travel with. It has a magnetic closure and a little mirror. This palette retails for $36, which actually for McGRATH is not that expensive. All right, this next product, I'm confused. So it tells me maybe the choices weren't that good. This here is from ELEMIS, and it's called Skin Buff. It's a deep cleansing exfoliator. Although I couldn't find any exfoliating products of all the stuff I have, the kind that's in the shower with the little gritty bits. Maybe that's why I picked this one. And I hope you have little gritty bits. Otherwise, why'd I pick you? All right, she came safety sealed, so I will just report back at some point in the future in an empties video to let you know how that product went. It's ELEMIS, so I'm very curious how much that retails for. Yep. $49. So, wow. My box is going to be up there in retail value. All right, now for the last product I selected. This here is from Dominique Cosmetics, and it is a cream bronzer. I have it in the shade Light Tan. Fingers crossed it's not too orange or warm. Oh, okay. So first, kudos for having the compact open all the way up. It comes with a mirror. This packaging is quite nice. It's acrylic, but it's like thick and nice. Let's just do a quick little swatch. All right, very creamy. And yes, it is very warm, but not too orangey. Just a little warmer than I wear, but we will throw it on my face during that try-on video. Okay, wow. This retails for $26. I was not expecting that. That is a very reasonable price. All right, that is everything I got in my box, except for one $3.50 add-on, which I'll share after I recap. All right, let's recap everything I got in the November 2024 Ipsy Icon Box. I got the GinZing SPF 30 from Origins, the Skin Buff Deep Cleansing Exfoliator from ELEMIS, the Truly Becoming Peptide Serum from Keys SOULCARE, the Speak Love Moisture Matte Lipstick from LYS Beauty, the Silicone Cream Bronzer from Dominique Cosmetics, the Full Coverage Serum Foundation from KVD Beauty, the Bijoux Beauty Eyeshadow Palette from McGRATH Labs, and the Tartelette Juicy Eyeshadow Palette from Tarte. What are your thoughts? My thoughts are, holy cow, I went from almost pausing to loving this box. This is like the best icon box I have received in a really long time. 5 of the products were actually makeup. I got a foundation, and I love complexion products and trying new formulas. I got 2 eyeshadow palettes, and both are actually in color stories that I love and will reach for. The lip product and the cream bronzer, these are probably the 2 products where I'm a little, mainly because I don't know that I'm going to love the colors or shades, but I won't know for sure until I try them out. And for the skincare products, I love serums. I use and love SPF. And I was in need of an exfoliator. So yay, all three of these are a win. I'm going to list the MSRP total value. Just so if anyone's curious or thinking about signing up, you can see, wow, for $62 I got 8 products that retailed for what? And it's not always about the value per se, but I don't know about you, but I like knowing I only spend a little bit and I get a lot. But it has to do with, do you actually love the products you get and will you use them? And this month, I think for sure, this was a really good box. I almost forgot to share the $3.50 add-on I picked up. So this here is from Ciate London. And if you've been following me a while, thank you. If you're new, feel free to like and subscribe. This is a setting powder. Yep. It's a brightening pink powder. I know it's kind of trending. I figured maybe it's time I try to put some powder under my eye. I don't know. For $3.50, I thought, you know, why not? I'll give it a try. But now I want to hear from you. What did you think of my box? What did you get in your box? And more importantly, have you received your box yet? Because dang, Ipsy's a little slow this month. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you could do me a big favor, clicking the thumbs up, it really does help with my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.